Hi guys, time out to the trail here, and today we are taking part in the Campfire Cooking Collaboration Dessert Edition, and it's a little cold and nasty outside, so we're going to do all of our prep work inside before we head out to the campfire. I've got my little helper here, and I'm not sure what's up with the helmet. Apparently cooking can be dangerous, but it works. You ready to take it off now?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll set it aside. All right, so we're going to get started and show you what we're making here in the kitchen.
To me.
Okay, so we are making one of our Thanksgiving tradition favorites here, and it's called a Cranberry Casserole. And we are going to do this the super easy way.
Oh.
We are not using fresh apples or fresh cranberries. We are actually using 1 can of your favorite apple pie filling and 1 can of cranberry sauce, but it needs to be the kind with the whole berries. So we just put this in the dish and stir it up really well in a baking dish, a round baking dish. Can Mommy see it real quick, and then you can stir some more? So we just want to stir all this up and make sure it's good and mixed. We don't have to add sugar or anything like that because these canned fillings already are so sweet.
Is this sugar?
No, it's not sugar. And this will be for our topping. But it just
this
saves us a step and a lot of time.
Sugar?
It is. It's brown sugar. Brown sugar. We'll use that in a second. So, you know, in the middle of Thanksgiving dinner, when you have everything else going on, it's nice to have this quick and easy dessert option.
Mom.
So this is our...
Mom, it's like a ghost.
Yes, this is our filling. So we have our apples and our cranberries. Now we're just going to set this aside and make the topping.
Is this the topping?
It will be when we get done making it.
Good.
Okay, so to make our topping, we are going to start with 1.5 cup of oats. And I do buy the quick oats just to make sure it cooks a little faster. So we have 1.5 cup of oats. We have 1/2 cup of flour.
Yep. Make sure.
Get it in the bowl, little one. Okay, and then we have 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Why do you want to put it towards the edge every time? Now we need to stir it.
Okay.
Would you keep your hands out of it? Stir it easily. We don't want it flying all over the place. So we just want to get this good and mixed.
It's good.
Okay, can Mommy try for a second?
Okay.
My turn? Thank you.
You're
doing an excellent job.
I just chop it down the side.
Yeah?
Yep. No, you do it. Chop. Chop to the sides. Like this. Chop to the sides. Like so I can do it.
Okay, so we're actually going to do this in 2 parts. This makes a lot, makes a whole baking dish full. But we're going to fill our little cast iron casserole dishes here, which is a little bit of our filling. Okay, you hold that and I will put it in there, okay?
Okay. No, you hold this. I will put it in.
You can do the next one.
No, let me put it in there by my big self.
By your big self?
Hmm?
Okay, we just need a little bit more in this one. Just a little bit more. Got it? You know what? I think that's pretty good. Now, can you help me do the other one?
Yeah.
Okay, let me get it over there to you. Okay, fill it up. Just filling these little cast iron dishes about halfway so we have room for our topping. Good job. Probably 2 more spoonfuls maybe. Maybe this, hold on, let's see. This one might be enough. Yeah, that's enough.
A little bit more.
1 more? Okay, just a little one. That's good. Thank you. Okay, put the spoon in here.
Put it down.
Good job. Spread it out. That's right.
So let me put that one out.
Well, we got to do the next part. Wait till you see. This next part can get messy. Okay? We're going to take our oat topping and we're just going to sprinkle. Let me show you how to do it and then you do the next one.
No, I want to it.
Okay, hold on a second. Now we're going to take our oat topping and spread it on top of our casserole here. Just a thin layer. Messy, 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 huh? Spread it out.
Let me do it by my mixer.
I think we might need just a little bit more.
Okay, I'll do it.
All right, that's good job.
Now the other one.
Now the other one.
Okay. We're getting over the place.
That's okay. We'll clean it up.
Nope.
I think we need one more right here.
Okay. Come up. Let me set it down.
That's heavy. Okay, don't put the spoon all the way down into the mixture. Okay, I think these are done. So now we need to do our big one. After we do our cast irons on the campfire, we're going to finish the rest of it off here in the oven in the house. So we're going to put all of it on there. Ready? Okay, smooth it out. Not down in, on top.
No, okay.
Got it? Just on top, nice and easy. Okay, keep spreading.
Ow.
Okay, so to finish this off and give it to a little bit of a crisp, we're just going to take some melted butter. And I have one stick melted right now. We may need more. We don't need any more in this pan, honey. Keep that one in there. And we're just going to drizzle it over top. Doesn't have to be fully saturated. I'm just going to do both of these. Okay, or maybe just a little bit more. Okay, watch out. Here comes the butter.
No, let me. So, where are we?
Okay, so the one that we're making in the oven, we're going to put this in the oven on 350 and it's going to bake for about 45 minutes or so until this gets nice and crisp on top and good and bubbly underneath. Our little cast iron ones that we're taking down to the campfire, we're going to cover these with foil and we're going to start off with about a half hour and then we'll check them and see how done they are. We'll go from there and I'll let you know the cook time when we're finished.
And we'll go play on swing, on the big swing, so we can have lots of fun.
I hope it's not too wet. We had snow this morning.
Yeah, it was so icy.
But it's warmed up a lot and everything's a big muddy mess now.
Yeah, rain came yesterday.
It did. It
And
did.
now me and my friend Macy can play muddy puddles like Peppa does.
Like Peppa does. Okay, so we'll see you guys down at the campfire.
Okay, bye. On his tail. It was great. Let's do it again. Let's go down here. Let's go. Let's go. Hold on, boy. Let's go get that cat. Let's go get that cat.
All right, so while we are waiting for our campfire to turn into nice hot coals to cook on, I just want to acknowledge the other YouTubers who are participating in our campfire cooking collaboration dessert edition. First, we have the coordinators of this, and we really appreciate you guys including us. Tony and Missy with Our World Outdoors. We have Kevin with Southwest Ohio Adventures. Hawkeye Hikes. Corey and the gang with Knights of the Trail. Justin with It's Good in the Woods, and Jason with Jason Outdoors. And it's just the really nice group of people to work with, and learned a lot from these guys and really enjoy being a part of this group. So please check out their channels and subscribe. All right guys, we got our casseroles on the campfire. Now just waiting for that to turn into a crispy, bubbly, good mess. Okay, so our cranberry casserole is finished. One got a little burnt around the edges, so it looks like it must have got exposed to the flame instead of just the coals. But the other one turned out pretty good. We're going to take this up to the house and give it a try. Okay, so we're back inside now. Time for a taste test. This one turned out pretty good. It didn't crisp really as much on top as I like, but that's just how it kind of goes when you're cooking on the campfire. It's hard to recreate that oven effect. But this one here looks like it turned out pretty good. Get the fruit and the topping. Make sure it's not too hot because we just took this off. It's pretty good. Sweet, smoky. Be a neat little dessert to make while you're outside deep frying your turkey. Have a campfire going. Do as much of it outside as you can. Be a unique way to celebrate the holiday for sure. All right, guys. Well, like I said, one burned, one didn't. We end up cooking it a little over 30 minutes. I tried to get to it before then to double check it and see how it was going. But between the new puppy and the baby, I just didn't get around to it as fast as I wanted to. But it turned out all right, and it's something that I would do again. It has a good flavor to it. I like the smokiness with the sweetness of the cranberries and the apples. And that concludes another campfire cooking collaboration. Thanks for watching.
Next fortune, I'm out to the chill bay.
Are you cold? Yeah.